The world of real estate and finance is a cutthroat business. There is a new realtor or financial advisor creeping in to take your business every time you turn around. So having a evergreen blog and making sure that your content is better than the next guy's is crucial to your business. And I'm here to help you. If I had to pick one major theme that I write in, it's definitely real estate, specifically residential and commercial real estate. But then also I would look at mortgages and also lifestyle topics. For example, staging a room and how to sell your house. And then as we move into the broader concepts of finance, you'd look at insurance and financial planning topics and personal finance topics. And then of course things like debt and credit repair, and just a huge area that I can help my clients with, and it's really exciting.